This video is about changing a clutch cable into Ducati Monster 821. If your clutch cable looks like this, you're going to want to change it. First thing we do is to take the headlight off. It's got two spigots in the top, one here and one here. And what you do is undo the bolt just here. There's one on each side. Once those are undone, you can just wiggle the headlight up and then just pull it forward and just leave it sitting there. Next thing is take, just raise the tank, undo the two screws here, take the rubber piece off, undo that. At the back there's a single bolt, undo that, and this is just a block of wood, just to raise the tank so that you can get access to the clutch cable, which is just here. Once you've got that done, come back around the front. Wind the adjuster all the way in, and then you'll be able to pull it out, bring it around here and take the cable out of the lever. Once the cable is out of the lever, we can see the routing goes down through here and then just through here. Here we can see it in here. Comes around the bottom. It's attached in three places. Cut that tie. There's one here. Cut this tie. And then come down to your exhaust. Just take off the two guards. You don't have to take the header off. Undo this screw here, which is an Allen. And once that's undone, the cable will just come away from this point here. You don't need to undo anything. Take this little bit out and your cable is off. Put the new cable on, it's just a reverse. Just put it through down here, run it up, put the clip on here, just do it lightly. And then when you come back, it needs some Loctite and 10 Newton meters. Loctite and 10 Newton meters. Up around here, one clip or tie, another plastic tie, put the tie back on, and feed it up this way, down, up through. Out through the rubber, just here, up through here. We can then put the end piece into the lever, pull it tight, and then pop it in here. And then it's just a procedure of putting it back together. Headlight just goes back into the spigots, two bolts at the bottom. Drop the tank down. Front fastener. Take the block out, drop it down, one screw in the holder at the back. Tank's on. And then just adjust your clutch lever. To make sure the clutch lever doesn't break again, it's really important that there's a 5mm gap here. And at this point here, 2 to 3mm before the clutch engages. So it should be soft, just like that, just there, 2 to 3 mils, and then you've got a bit more force on the clutch. 2 to 3 mils, and then the clutch engages. And that's as easy as it is. Hope this helps. Now, to keep your clutch adjusted as the cable stretches, where you want your 2 to 3 mils here, we can just rotate this piece out, but it gets to a point where you can't rotate it anymore. You're going to have to adjust the cable. Now here's the old cable, so this is sitting just here. Pull the rubber pieces back, and this is underneath. Undo the nut and just make the cable, unscrew this one, make the cable slightly longer, or the sheath longer, do the nut up, and that takes up any slack so that we can maintain that 2 to 3 mil, and then you're less likely to break another clutch cable for it to start fraying.